Unraveling the Mystery, Play Bear. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into a unique English phrase, play bear. You might be thinking, wait, is it about a game with an actual bear? Let's find out together. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. First, let's look at the individual words. Play. This word has multiple meanings, but most commonly, it's used to describe engaging in an activity for enjoyment and recreation rather than for a serious or practical purpose. Bear. This is a large mammal known for its strength and furry body. It's also used in various phrases and idioms in the English language. However, when these words come together, they create a unique meaning. Contrary to what you might initially think, play bear doesn't usually involve real bears. Instead, it often describes a playful, harmless act where someone pretends to be a bear, especially with children. For example, a parent might play bear by pretending to be a bear chasing their laughing child around a room. In some contexts, play bear can also refer to acting tough or scary but in a non-serious way. It's like putting on a facade. For instance, he likes to play bear with his younger siblings, but he's actually very gentle. To make sure you understand it completely, here are a few example sentences. 1. Sarah loves to play bear with her nephew, making growling sounds and tickling him. 2. Tom tried to play bear when the kids took his hat, but they knew he was just pretending to be grumpy. 3. Don't let him intimidate you, he's just playing bear. So, the next time someone says they want to play bear, you'll know they're not inviting you to a wild game in the forest. We hope this explanation has shed light on this fun and quirky phrase. Keep exploring the English language, and remember, it's full of surprises. Happy learning!